It was raining out just a little while ago. Might run into a little more later on in the day before I'm done. But we're gonna try starting out with a frog and see if we can't get any action. Also using a Spro frog, black. Let's see what happens. Oh, there was a big one. That could be a carp. This water can be super clear. It's a little bit mucky today, but not too bad. Like I said, it's been raining, and we got more rain coming later on today. Yeah, it was a carp. It just swam right in front of me. There goes one. Oh, I just missed him. Busy talking, busy thinking about what I'm going to say next. I missed him. The fish are usually cruising around on top of these, so working the top water over this. There it is. Oh, dang it. Once again, talking and I missed it. I've been close to setting these hooks right on this frog, but I'm not used to talking on the GoPro while I'm fishing. I'm just used to fishing. See if we can get another blow up and actually set this thing right. Not the frog. It's what? 3 strikes, 3 blow ups, 3 misses. Let's sit here and say, well, maybe they're just not committing. You know, they didn't take the whole frog. They just kind of hit it and missed. That last blow up that I had, 100% operator error. The first 2, I don't think they actually took it. But that last one, he had it. I just missed it. All right. Throw this out here. Strike King Rage Bug, Moon Juice. Love these things. This is one of my favorite baits to fish with. Very versatile. Texas rig. I mean, you can pop it off the bottom. You can swim it straight back. This thing just has such a great action. I think we're going to catch one on this though. Came up in here today a little more prepared than what I usually do. Fall into that same trap a lot, you know, as I'm sure a lot of people do. But you fall into that same trap of, this is the way I'm going to fish today because it's worked in the past, and then you get out there and that's just not what they want. It's kind of weird having this GoPro on. And fishing is something I'm definitely going to have to get used to. The reason being is I'm more conscious of what I'm doing. You know, usually I just come out here and I fish and I'm just doing that. Now I'm talking to you guys and thinking about what I'm doing, and I think that's having an effect on me not catching fish, and I'm not blaming it, but it's going to take some getting used to. Be in the middle of a conversation, or in the middle of a talking to you guys, I get a bite, and then you just pause, and I need to react. So just give me a few minutes to get used to that. Let's see if we can't get a fish in. There's a hit. Oh. See, now that was strange to me. It was weird. Once again, I'm thinking about the camera and catching a fish. And normally what I'll do is, if I get a little teeny tug like that, I'll kill it. But once again, I was kind of overthinking it because, oh, there's it. Kill it like that. There we go. We got a fish. Doesn't look like a big one, but it is definitely a fish. Ladies and gentlemen, a largemouth bass. Very small largemouth bass, but we will take it.